were the days of staying up late when we snuck
Good afternoon, and I'd like to welcome everyone to the gorgeous Heritage Restored to witness and celebrate the union of Jesse Lee Hall and Kasey Ann Zimmerman.
We still don't do what
Jesse, where do I even begin? I can't believe we are finally here. I knew the day that I met you that you were going to be my husband. The second we met, we have been inseparable, and it has been the most amazing journey.
Never in a million years would I ever have thought that I would meet the love of my life in prison. From the first night we met, I knew that our relationship was going to be something special.
Yeah, we rode through town with our music too loud, and we sang out a tune every note. And we stood on the edge with your arms outstretched.
You were my best friend, and a lifetime by your side could never be long enough. I fell in love with you instantly, and soon after, I fell in love with your family.
For the past 3+ years, you've been with me through all the ups and downs and crazy twists that life has thrown at us. You let me leave the house in the shortest jean shorts imaginable and let me make an ass of myself with all my friends and my family. And when I come home, you feed me and you put me to bed.
You've accepted me as their own since day one. I can't even begin to explain how at home you make me feel.
You always knew when I would come home the news was going to steal some attention. It was going to steal some attention away from you. You know when hunting season comes around, that I'll be late almost every night. When racing season starts, you know the endless beers that I'm going to consume, and that you're going to have to hook me up to an IV in the morning.
You make me a better person. You always push me to be myself, and you have stuck by my side through the good and the bad.
No matter what I do or what kind of shape I'm in, you're always there by my side. You accept me for who I am and let me do the things that I love.
I promise to always let you go hunting and fishing and to watch every sprint car race with you.
You're the most loving, kind, and compassionate person that I know. There's no other person in this world that I would rather spend the rest of my life with. And I'm so happy that today I get to call you my wife.
When I was young, I had a lover, but she died one day.
I promise to always let you think you're a better mini golf player and to protect you from anything that can fly and to occasionally clean my hair out of the drain.
I see her in the sky near that river bend.
From this day forward, I can promise you a couple of things. First, I promise that I will still make an ass of myself and irritate you almost every day. Second, I promise I'm still going to be late during hunting season and the occasional night at the pub. And lastly, and most important, I promise that every single day I will love you unconditionally, be the man that you deserve, and be by your side no matter what. Love, Jesse.
You are a better man than I could have ever even dreamed of. Your faithfulness and loyalty to not only me and our family and friends is something I will never take for granted. I love you more than anything. Your soon-to-be wife, Kasey.
I'm growing old, and my knees are growing weak. I miss the one I loved when I was young. She's the only one for me.
May your marriage bring joy to one another and blessings to your family and friends for many generations to come. May love and laughter fill your hearts and your homes, and may that home always be a refuge for you both all the days of your lives.
With my worm's eye view, oh, I'm looking up.
It is truly my honor and delight to declare you husband and wife. You may seal your vows with a kiss.
Everybody go crazy!
Always let Jesse win. He will more than likely make up some off the wall rule anyway, so just let him do it. Jesse, even if Kasey has already been to TJ Maxx 3 times that week, just let her go the 4th time. The girl needs her shopping in Starbucks. Continue to choose each other every day. Even though you're married now, still go on dates and spend time together, just the 2 of you. Lean on each other through the good and the bad. Life gets crazy, but you two will make it through anything as long as you have each other. I love you both so much and wish you nothing but the best in your new adventure together.
Everyone knows there's a peace and quiet. Everyone shows up to heck of a riot.
When Jesse introduced me to Kasey, my wife and I both knew there was something special between them, and we were both excited, and we knew it was going to end up where we're at today.
Turn the lights down, party in the dark. We're dancing on the table. Everybody go crazy.
You two make a very special couple, and you have a very special bond. And I'm glad that not only have a brother and a cousin, but I gained a sister. Just remember, life is short. Enjoy the small times, the little things.